Welcome to the Globe channel. I would like to show you on how to reset on Airtel Smart Router Decoder, also known as Android Smart Box. But before you can do a hard reset on the Smart Router, please, I would like you to do a soft reset, that is, reboot the device. This method refreshes the system without deleting any data. First thing, unplug the decoder from the power source, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then plug the device back in and power it on. Allow the device to reboot and check if the issue is resolved. If the issue is not resolved, that is where you now proceed to do a hard reset. Hard reset, note that this reset will reset the device with factory setting, erasing all data. First thing, locate the reset button. The reset button is usually a small hole at the back of the router. You will need a pin or a small audio to press it. In case if you do not see it at the back, you may turn the router around, you will see it. Insert the pin and press the reset button. Hold it up for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device light blinks or the screen shows the reboot process. Release the button, the router decoder will reboot and reset to the factory setting. Then the device will go back to default. After resetting, you will need to set up your internet connection, any personal settings.